Hey guys, Ben here helping you earn more, spend less, and invest the difference. Now today we're going to be talking about the 5 best bank accounts that you can open. And this is going to be important because realistically your checking or savings account is sort of the bedrock. It's the foundation that you're going to build your financial future on. So while these checking or savings accounts are super important, most people sign up for these accounts rather arbitrarily. Maybe when you got your first job, you signed up for a bank account with Wells Fargo because that's who mom and dad bank with, so you just signed up with them, and then you never do any research and you never switch to a better bank. A recent nationwide survey found that the average American adult has kept their checking account for the last 14 years. And this would be fine if these accounts were actually good, but most are rather terrible. In fact, the average checking account holder pays $7.69 per month in miscellaneous fees. You got ATM fees, you got monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance fees, overdraft fees. Like, banks got a fee for everything. So why are you paying almost $8 a month to your bank in random fees for the privilege of you turning over your hard-earned money to them? It makes no sense. Now, some banks offer sign-up bonuses, and it's one of the ways that I earn over $1,000 a year just simply by signing up for a new checking or savings account, testing these banks out, getting the bonus, and moving on. If you're interested in that, check out this video right here. Now, I do realize that that can be a lot of work for some people, but it means that I have interacted with a lot of different banks. So I feel confident recommending these as my top 5 list of bank accounts to open. So clocking in at number 5 is going to be Capital One. Now, this is going to be the only physical brick and mortar location on this list. We're increasingly transitioning to an online digital banking system, and that can be fantastic, but sometimes it's nice just to be able to walk in and talk to somebody. And this is especially true if you handle cash on a somewhat regular basis. Maybe you own your own small business or something like that, so you get cash in, and it can be really hard then to deposit cash into a purely online bank. But with Capital One, you can simply walk in and deposit your cash that way. They have over 70,000 fee-free ATMs, and the majority of those you can actually deposit cash into as well. In addition, they also have their Capital One cafes, which is sort of a unique mixture between Starbucks and a full-fledged financial institution as they try to capture the millennial crowd. Now, their checking account currently offers 0.1% interest rate, and their savings account is about 4 times that at 0.4%. But you're not going to be getting hit with any kind of fees, so there's no minimum balance fees, there's no maintenance fees or anything like that. And they have those 70,000 ATM locations where you can withdraw money without incurring an ATM fee. Plus, they have plenty of different overdraft protections to ensure that you don't get hit with any overdraft fees. In addition, Capital One has some pretty decent credit cards if you're interested in getting into the points and mileage game. They have the Capital One Venture, Saver, and Saver Plus credit cards, which are all pretty solid cards. And while Capital One offers the brick and mortar location, obviously they have the online side of things as well. And their mobile application is one of the highest rating mobile apps that I've seen as far as overall customer satisfaction goes. And lastly, one of the unique features about the Capital One Performance Savings Account is they actually offer sub-savings accounts. So hypothetically, you can open up an overall savings account and then create subcategories depending on what you're trying to save for. So you might be able to create one sub-savings account for saving for a down payment on a house, or an auto purchase, or your next vacation that you're saving for. So you're able to create these sub-accounts within your main account so that you can see all of these different balances and keep track of different balances all in one nice, neat location. And I find that super handy. All right, so next up on this list at number 4 is going to be Ally Bank. Ally Bank is going to offer you 0.15% interest on your checking accounts up to $15,000 in balance, and 0.25% on any balance above that $15,000. In addition, they're going to offer a pretty competitive savings rate at 0.5% interest on your savings account. In addition, Ally Bank has various savings features, including the bucket savings or booster savings, which allows you to automatically set money aside to meet your financial goals. Now with Ally Bank, you're not going to get hit with any random fees. There's no minimum balance fees or monthly maintenance fees or any garbage like that. In addition, they have over 43,000 in-network ATMs that you can also use as well. But in addition to just a basic checking and savings account, Ally also offers a suite of investing platforms as well. So you can go and get certificates of deposit, or you can open up a money market account with Ally Bank. In addition, they also offer a variety of different loans, such as auto loans or mortgage options as well. Up next at number 3 is going to be Discover Bank. Now, most people, when they hear the name Discover, they automatically think about credit cards. Their Discover It Cashback credit card is one of the more popular introductory credit cards for people that are just building their credit. So if you're new to the credit game and you have not already established your credit, I highly recommend going out and applying for the Discover It Cashback credit card. But in addition to their credit cards, they also offer full-service banking suites, including checking and savings account. Their savings account is going to offer you about 0.4% interest, and their checking account is going to give you 1% on all cash back used with their debit card up to $3,000 per month. In addition, there's no fees, because fees suck. There's no minimum balance fees, no monthly maintenance fees, there's no overdraft fees, there's no fees, guys. And they have over 60,000 in-network ATMs that you can use. Now, just like Ally Bank, Discover Bank offers a wide variety of financial services for you. So obviously you're going to have your checking and savings account that you can have. And same thing with Ally, they also have CDs and money markets that you can sign up for. But Discover also offers retirement accounts, both traditional and Roth IRAs. And that's really kind of rare for banking services to offer these retirement accounts as well. All right, up next at number 2 is going to be Chime Bank. Now, Chime is easily one of the most popular online banks at the moment, largely due to its Chime Credit Builder credit card. Now, this is sort of a hybrid and unique credit card. It's half credit card and half more like a debit card. Now, it is a full-service credit card, so it will report to all 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So if you're trying to build and establish your credit, it will help you do that. But it functions more like a debit card. So you cannot go negative. You cannot go in the hole with this credit card. You can only spend what you have in your Chime Credit Builder savings account. And at the end of each month, Chime will automatically take money out of that account to pay off your credit card. So you never have to worry about logging in and paying your credit card balance. They will do it automatically. And since it's paid automatically, you can never miss a credit card payment, so it is physically impossible to hurt your credit score using this Chime Credit Builder credit card. Your credit score will only go up. So if you're just starting out and you have not established your credit rating yet, then this is fantastic because there's no way you can screw this up. It will only help you and help to establish your credit rating. In addition, they will give you a regular debit card, which you can use at over 38,000 different ATM locations, and they're going to give you a really good 0.5% interest rate as well. Same thing, Chime doesn't have any fees, no minimum balance fees, no overdraft fees, and no foreign transaction fees if you're doing any sort of international traveling. That can be pretty fantastic as well. Their mobile application is one of the better apps that I've seen. It's very user intuitive and friendly. And you can get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. And finally, number 1 on this list is going to be SoFi. Now, SoFi has sort of taken the financial world by storm. It is easily one of the most popular online banking platforms out there. Their app is super well designed, but personally, I think it's a little bit cluttered with some advertisements. But even that aside, it's super intuitive, and being able to manage all of your financial tools all in one place is hugely beneficial. Your SoFi account is not going to be hit with any sort of random fees, and they have over 55,000 in-network ATMs that you can use as well. Now, your account is going to earn about 0.25% interest, but this can be bumped up a little bit because of various cashback options from different retailers. Now, where I think SoFi really excels is they're going to offer you all of the financial tools that realistically most people need all in one place. So for example, they have their SoFi Relay, which is going to be able to help you monitor your credit score as well as manage all of your other accounts. SoFi also offers a full service suite of loan products, personal loans, auto loans, student loans, as well as offering any sort of insurance programs that you need through their partnership programs. So homeowners insurance, auto insurance, renters insurance, as well as things like estate planning. You name it, they got it. In addition, they have one of the better universal credit cards on the market with a flat 2% cash back with their SoFi credit card. Now this 2% cash back can be redeemed into your savings account, into your investment account, or just saved for when you need it the most. And lastly, their SoFi investing platform is really rather robust as far as these online banks go. So SoFi is not only going to offer you both retirement accounts, traditional and Roth IRAs, but it's also going to allow you to invest in various cryptocurrencies. And last but not least, you can purchase a wide variety of ETFs, index funds to help you diversify your portfolio, and they offer fractional shares so you can get investing with as little as $1. All of these features combined essentially means that SoFi is going to be your one-stop shop for pretty much any sort of financial product that you're going to need. That's going to wrap it up for us today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. And as always, I'll see you all again next time. Thanks.